If you're looking to create a statement piece this holiday season, this velvet ball garland is dramatic, festive, and surprisingly easy to make. It's perfect for hosts, DIY lovers, and even event planners. We started with a red velvet fabric fold, but you can use a tablecloth if you're working with a smaller garland. The texture of the velvet adds a really expensive look that instantly makes your decor just look super polished. First, grab foam core balls. Any size will do, but we love mixing small and large for some dimension. Use a soft measuring tape to check the circumference of the ball, and this will help you cut just the right amount of fabric to fully wrap each one. Once you've cut your fabric to size, wrap the ball tightly and twist at the end just like you're wrapping a candy. We used balloons to tie off each ball. Yes, balloons. It's a clever, budget-friendly alternative to ribbon, but if you want a more polished finish, velvet ribbon works beautifully too. Repeat this process for each ball. You can alternate sizes as you go, or you can make small garlands and large garlands, whatever you'd like. We draped ours over a velvet backdrop, but you can hang yours across a mantle, wrap it around a staircase, or use it as some decoration on the tree. Want to recreate this look? Everything you see is from eFavormart. Be sure to like, subscribe, and check the description for links to all the supplies. Happy holidays!